Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for your Cubot P50. So in order to do this, let's open up Google Play Store, find Microsoft Edge, and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, you can start customization, so sign in to turn on synchronization, set up for your data sharing preferences, set Edge as a default browser, and now when everything is done, you should be able to open any website. And as you can see, this browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.